Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with a free Microsoft account. This unlocks Office web apps. Once done, make sure your browser is updated and your files are accessible. You don't need a product key to open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint online. Upload important documents to OneDrive so you can edit instantly. If you need more storage or offline features, consider a trial or school/work license later. For now, you'll use the free web versions to edit, save, and share. Once signed in, open Office. Calm and pick Word, Excel, or PowerPoint to start editing. Changes save automatically to OneDrive. If you prefer offline work, install the free Office mobile apps and sign in. They provide robust editing without a key. Make sure to sync files using the OneDrive app so edits appear across devices. If you need advanced desktop-only features, temporarily export files, and use a workplace or school license. Otherwise, the web and mobile tools cover most day-to-day tasks. To finish, save final copies to OneDrive and export any required formats like PDF. If desktop apps are essential, activate a 30-day Microsoft 365 trial through your account. This is legitimate and reversible. If something fails, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, and verify you're using a personal versus organizational account. If edits aren't syncing, open OneDrive settings and force a sync. Following these steps ensures you can use Microsoft 365 features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.